How to create a QR code for a Google Maps location. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to generate one so anyone can scan it and instantly open your location in Google Maps. This is perfect for businesses, events, invitations, or simply sharing a meeting point with friends and family. First, open your web browser and go to Google Maps. Search for the location you want to share, or click directly on the map to drop a pin at the exact spot. Once you've selected the correct location, click the Share button. Next, choose Copy Link to copy the Google Maps URL. Now open a new browser tab and visit your preferred QR code generator website. Paste the Google Maps link into the URL field. The website will automatically generate a QR code for your location. If the generator offers customization options, you can change the colors, add your logo, or adjust the design before downloading. When you're ready, click Download and save the QR code to your computer or mobile device. That's it. Anyone who scans the QR code with their phone's camera or a QR scanner will be taken directly to the Google Maps location you selected. This is a simple and convenient way to share directions without sending long links. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Maps tips and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.